So good afternoon, everyone. The company we have been allotted here is Shoppers Stop, which comes under the retail sector, and which is being operated by the K Raheja Group. It has around 86 stores across 40 cities of India, and the product lineup offered by the Shoppers Stop is comprising of clothing, accessories, handbags, shoes, jewelry, fragrances, cosmetics, health and beauty products, etc. So apart from being in a real estate industry, K Raheja Group is operating in the following sectors, which are commercial, residential, hospitality, retail, and malls. And some of the prominent establishment of K Raheja groups are Vivera, Westin, Sheraton, JW. So now coming to the competitors of Shopper Stops. Here we have Westside, FBB, Pantaloons, Brand Factory, Reliance Trends, Central Lifestyle, which are operating in the same business. So here we have some of the prominent brands that are being sold under the Shopper Stop. So in order to have the further clarification, we'll have a glance at the small clip, which will clear the idea about the branding. Now Kritika will continue with the SWOT analysis.
Thank you, Tanay. The next is the SWOT analysis, which gives us an idea about the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So the strength of Shopper Stop would be that it has a good consumer base and it has a well-established management team. The weakness is that it has a higher operating cost and also there is a too much expenditure that has to be made on the IT sector. The opportunities could be that the foreign brands prefer Shopper Stop and also it has a geographical reach. The threat could be that it is an unorganized sector and there is always competition that is prevailing in this market. Next slide. This is the consumer mind map, which gives us an idea about the problems that a consumer faces while they go to Shopper Stop. So one could be that there is less promotional strategies and there is lack of uniformity. Also, the consumer grievances are not very well handled and the staffs are not very well trained. So these are the recommendations that Shopper Stop can look at. The next will be continued by Komal.
Start.
Thank you, Kritika. While our brainstorming sessions, we came up with these extra revenue strategies for Shopper Stop. They can, under their brand of Crossword, they can add their own merchandise brands with t-shirts and mugs, including quotes from some classic books. They can also offer coffee and tea to the customers who are readers just for their comfort. Also, adding free bookmarks and vouchers and promotion can add to an extra revenue strategy. Next. Also, one of the ideas we came up with, apart from their regular business, is that Shopper Stop can introduce their own fashion magazine. They can start affiliate marketing under for all the brands that come under Shopper Stop. They can have some coupons that they can redeem at some other stores. They can also provide wedding packages, which would include and increase revenue for several other brands of theirs. Establishing new design institute could be a backward integration for them, and from that this can enhance their revenue also and could prove to be good for the brand. Next will be taken over by Amisha.
Thanks, Komal. So one of the unique ways to improve the customer engagement, first is delivery from top to ground floor using a drone. It's one of the exciting and convenient ways to get your stuff from the first floor to the first floor to the ground floor. Second, in the available space inside the Shopper Stop, we can include some rides for the little ones while you're and one multi retail loyalty cards. So once you're done with your shopping in Shopper Stop, you can redeem points in the other stores. Fourth is electric scooters for movements in the store. So this is another exciting and fun way to move down the alleys of Shopper Stop and engage in shopping. Next slide, please. Another idea that came to our mind is the idea of vertical chairlift. This chairlift has a capacity of 200 kgs. It has bells, and it'll be moving on the rod. And as shown in the picture, it's it's on the stairs, but this is going to be vertical, and this will also increase more customer engagement and attract more customers to visit Shopper Stop in order to know what is new at the store. Next will be continued by Anand.
Thanks, Amisha. So the next strategy we had come in the mind was that utilization of the space that available at the Shopper Stop. So here in the left side, you can see that the floor layout is available, which is common for the every Shopper Stop. So here we can introduce the new monthly fashion shows or a ramp walk for the engagement of the customer, and they can come and shop regularly. Next, please. These are the other business strategy that Shopper Stop can introduce. One is that they can introduce the new jewelry items under their brands, as mentioned at the photographs, images. And the next is that even they can introduce some artificial intelligence based AR and VR based platform where customer can come and enjoy for the customer engagement. Even they can introduce their personal bags with the very creative way. Other ways that they can collaborate with Indian brands to supporting the local for vocal, as well as some hybrid shoppings. Even they can increase their reach by digital marketings, even their virtual sales products, and the flexibility of the return policy and others, as mentioned in the slides. Next. So thank you everyone.